Take your Rockford RZR audio system to the next level with our rear door speaker upgrade. This kit features two 6.5-inch element-ready speakers housed in custom OEM door panels for a sleek, factory-fit look. Designed for quick and easy installation, the panels mount seamlessly into existing factory locations. Integrated door handles and grills perfectly match the Rockford Fosgate audio ecosystem, ensuring a consistent aesthetic and powerful sound throughout your entire setup. So let's take a closer look. This rear door speaker add-on delivers an additional 200 watts of output to your system. With extended voice coils, you'll enjoy crystal clear highs and rich, deep bass for a truly dynamic listening experience. These add-on audio systems feature true OEM integration with custom molded enclosures that elevate the look and feel of your vehicle's interior. Engineered for performance and style, the system blends seamlessly into your build with zero compromises, all while taking your audio to the next level. As always, everything in this system is off-road ready, since we know it will see its fair share of mud, water, and everything in between. But don't worry, any outdoor elements you encounter won't be an issue, no matter where the adventure takes you.